Hello everyone and welcome to Kitchen Lab with Centru Tbexbix. I am Mr. Paolo and today, since I'm Italian, we are going to cook pizza.
You don't look Italian.
Oh, come on! Pizza, mafia, mandolino. It's not like this, Italian accent, yes? Okay, so all the ingredients are already in the bowl. The only thing that we have to do now is put the water, warm water, so not too cold, not too hot, in the mix, and try, not a lot maybe, and try to create a bowl. See, like this. Create a bowl. What am I saying? Create. What is the dough? Ah, the dough. Create a dough. A dough. See, it has to be like this. I think the meaning is like it's I put too much water. Yes, I put too much water. So now, more flour. Of course, if you put too much flour, you can always put water, not flour.
You don't love it actually.
So see, we will put more flour to create a dough, more or less, maybe more flour, even more flour. More flour.
You have enough.
I have enough. I have enough. No flour. So for now, just exactly. Thank you. Magic. Try to take the flour from the bottom of the bowl, more or less like I'm doing, and if it sticks in the hands like this, it's good. It's even funnier. Is it good? Yeah, it's good.
Again. Just removing it all from your hands. No, don't grab it again. Remove it from your hands.
Now, put the dough in this position with the wrist, more or less. Push and then go up, and then again push and then again push and again push and again, like this. Push, and now with two hands. So when the dough is soft but doesn't stick on your hands, it's ready for now. You have just put this dough in the bowl and cover with a towel for almost half an hour. If you use the fast yeast, instead, if you use the normal yeast, you need to wait around 1 hour, 2 hours. Okay, so now our dough has grown. We can put our dough on this baking tray. Of course, you can use a baking paper if you have, or if you don't have, like us, you can always put oil with a bit of flour. Now, we are going to open it. You open like this. You put a bit of flour inside on the table and a bit of flour on top of our dough, and then like this, with a rolling pin or something similar, you push, not too strong. So we are going to give to our pizza the shape of a pizza. Okay, now that our pizza is flat, we can try to put it in the tray.
Okay, so maybe I will do this one. I think I don't have a box.
No.
Try to fit it well. For the topping, we have a really nice tomato sauce. We prepare this in 15 minutes, putting the passata. Is passata Maltese? Okay, it's Maltese. Inside the pot with olive oil. 15 minutes. Then we add cheese and basil.
Then there'll be some free food because I already eaten something. It was bothering me before. I will stop. Yeah, so it's like
Okay, you're not coming.
and this is.
So that's it. If you like the video, thumbs up and write a comment. Maybe with a photo of your creation. And enjoy your meal.
Carolina is eating the pizza!
What?